Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 8th standard English subject. So let's get started. Poem number 3.4 Leisure. In this video we are going to see English workshop. So let's move to question and answers. Students, here is our question number 1. Stay where? So here is first one, that is dash do the cows and sheep stand dash. Its answer is beneath the branches of trees. Now next, dash do squirrels store their food dash. Its answer is in the grass. Now next, dash do stars shine in the daytime dash. Its answer is in the streams. Now next, that is dash does beauty smile begins dash. Its answer is in her eyes. So students, here is our question number 1 is completed. Let's move to question number 2. Think and answer in your own words. So see the first one, that is what could have inspired the poet to compose this poem? Do you think it's related to our present day life? Defends your choice. The poet must have seen the busy lives of people around him, who are always in a hurry and have no leisure to look at the beauty around. Yes, it's certainly related to our present life, which keeps getting busier and busier. Today, with the internet, the mobile phone, the computer and social networking sites, our lives are getting more and more artificial and further from nature than even before. Now see the next one, that is which line proves that in our busy lives we do not even have a fraction of a second to enjoy nature beauty. Now see the answer. The lines are no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in our daylight, streams full of stars like skills at night, no time to turn at beauty glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich their smile, her eyes begin. Now next, that is beauty in stanza 5 to 6 can refer to a beauty in maiden as well as nature itself. Explain when and how nature dances and also smiles. Now see the answer of this question. Nature dances during spring and summer, when the leaves of trees and the flowers swing in the breeze. Nature smiles at the beginning of spring, when the plants begin to once again bloom slowly. Now next question, that is why does the poet call our life poor? Now see the answer. The poet calls our life poor because we are always excused and under stress. We are completely cut off from the nature and cannot relax and enjoy its beauty. He feels that this type of a life is a poor life. So students, here we have completed our question number 2. Now let's see the question number 3. You have learned that when a human attribute is given to anything that is not a human being, or it is spoken of as a person, the figure of speech used is called personification. Student, this is grammar part. Now see first one. Pick out 2 examples of personification from the poem. Now see the answer. Time to turn as beauty glance and watch her feet how they can dance. Nature has been given the human qualities of glancing and dancing. Now next, no time to wait till her mouth can enrich the smile her eyes begin. Nature has been given the human quality of smiling. Now next question, that is pick out from the poem 2 examples of each of the following figures of speech. Now see first one, alliteration. Now see the answers. You have no time to stand and stare. Repetition of the sound of the letter S. Now next, streams full of stars like skills of night. Repetition of the sound of the letter S. Now next, that is simile. Now see first one, and stare as long as sheep or cows. Here is a direct comparison has been made to sheep and cows. Now next, streams full of stars like scales of night. Here is a direct comparison has been made to the night scales. Now next, that is metaphor. Now see the answer. Now see first one, no time to turn as beauty glance. Here nature has been empirically compared to a beautiful woman. Now next, enrich the smile her eyes begin. Here the blowing of flowers has been empirically compared to a human smiling. Now see student, question number 4. Say where the images from the nature given in the poem exist. Now see here, air, land, water. Use these 3 words in your answer. Breathe the brooks. Now see the answer. Its answer is land. Now next, squirrel hide nuts in a grass. Its answer is also land. Now next, streams in daytime. Its answer is water. Now next, star scales at night. Its answer is air. Students, here we have completed our question number 4. Let's move to question number 5. Make a paragraph of the poem Leisure in your own simple words. Write it down in your notebook. Now see here. In this poem, the poet V.H. Davis questioned the type of life we are leading if we have no time to appreciate the beauties of nature. He said that we have no time to stand beneath the trees and stare as sheep and cows do. When we are walking through the woods, we have no time to watch where the squirrel hide their food in the grass. We have no time to look at streams which sparkle and twinkle in broad daytime and appear to be full of stars like the skies at night. We have no time to watch when the beauty young girl dances or wait for her lips to complete the smiles we started in her eyes. We can also say that beauty is nature and we have no time to see trees swaying in the breeze or flowers blowing slowly. In the concentration line, the poem repeats that our life is a poor life if it is full of cares and worries, with no time to appreciate and enjoy the beauty of nature. So students, here we have completed our poem 3.4 Leisure. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon and also don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching my video.